We'll guide you through how to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it is used for website, web application, servers, and many other types of software. To run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code, we first need to install Node.js because Node.js allows JavaScript code to run outside of a web browser. After that, we will install Visual Studio Code and then create our first JavaScript program. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser that you prefer. And I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Node.js, and you will see the official website for Node.js, which is nodejs.org. So just go ahead and click on the official website, and once that you are inside the official website, click on Get Node.js. From here, scroll down and choose the Windows installer version, or you can also download the zip file, but the installer process is much simpler. So as you can see, the installer has been successfully downloaded. So I'll just click on the installer to run the setup wizard. And now the Node.js setup wizard will appear. Now first click on next, and you will see license agreement. Just go ahead and read through the license agreement, and after reading, just click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. After that, just go ahead and click on next. From here, you can choose the destination folder. You can just click on change and just select any folder to your liking and click on OK. I'm just gonna leave it at default and click on next. And now custom setup screen will appear. You will notice that Node.js also installs npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager. It is used to install JavaScript library and packages. Leave the default option selected and just go ahead and click on next. And here you will see an option to automatically install necessary tools. So just go ahead and toggle this on, and after that click on next and click on install. Just click on yes if prompted. Now your installation process will begin, and just wait for the Node.js to finish installing. And once that the Node.js is successfully installed, we can just verify it. So first click on finish, and in your Windows search bar, just go ahead and type cmd and hit enter. And in the command prompt window, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type node space -v and hit enter. You should now see a version number displayed just like so. If a version number appears, Node.js has been installed successfully. When you open the VS Code, go to the top left corner and click on File. And here, just go ahead and click on Open Folder. And here, choose a location where you want to store your project. For example, let's say I want to store it inside VS Code, and I'll just create a new folder. I'm going to name it something like Demo 2 and create the folder. And once you are inside the folder, just go ahead and click on select folder. Now let's create our first JavaScript program. Just click on a folder, and when you click on a folder, you will see these options appear. So basically, just click on new file to create a new file. You can name the file something like new.js and hit enter. The JS extension tells Visual Studio Code that this is a JavaScript file. Now let's write our first JavaScript program. Just go ahead and type the following code. Just type console.log bracket double quotation, and let's type hello world. And this is one of the most basic JavaScript program. The console log bracket function prints text to the screen. Now save the file. You can just press Ctrl and S key on your keyboard, or you can go to File at the top left and click on Save. Now we need to run the program. At the top, you will see Terminal, or sometimes you may also see 3 dot. Just click on the 3 dot or Terminal and choose New Terminal. The terminal will now open at the bottom of Visual Studio Code. Because we opened the project folder first, The terminal is already inside the correct folder. Now to run the JavaScript file, just go ahead and type node space and the name of the file that you want to run, which in my case is going to be new.js. And once that you have done that, just hit enter. And now you should see your output in the terminal, which in my case is going to be hello world that we typed earlier. You have successfully run your first JavaScript program in Visual Studio Code.